the Center for Writing Excellence. I'm going to show you how to make an appointment using our online scheduler. First, you will need to go to either the CWE's homepage at augusta.edu/CWE or to our main scheduler's website at aug.mywconline.com. On the homepage, you will go to the tab that says Make an Appointment. This will take you to the login page of our scheduler. When logging in, it is important to use your JAG ID. This is the information before the @ symbol of your email. Then you will use your password for Duo. Once you authenticate with Duo, you will be brought to our welcome landing page. Here, you will see the available schedules for that semester. We have our main location on the Somerville campus in Allgood Hall. This location is broken down into undergraduate and graduate faculty schedules. The undergraduate schedule is with our undergrad consultants, while the grad and faculty schedule is with our graduate assistants and professional writing consultants. The third option is our Greenblatt Library location on the Health Science campus. This schedule is open for all writers. Once you have selected which schedule you most identify with, for this example, we're going to go up here to the Welcome to the CWE. You will be brought to the available times for an appointment. Each white box is an available appointment time. Be sure to look at the consultants' names as they may be online only. If it is just their name, you are able to meet in person at the location of the schedule. If it says online only, then you can only meet live online or have written feedback. Let's say I want to meet a consultant in person on July 10th. I look at the white boxes and see that I can meet at 10 a.m. with a writing consultant. I will make sure it stays as in person, as that's the auto, and then fill out all the information on the client form so that my consultant knows what I want to work on. When it is time for my appointment, you will go to the location you picked and have all the materials needed for your appointment. Now, if I want to keep this appointment time but change it to live online, I'll just scroll back up and click the live online option. To access your live online appointment, and I recommend doing this prior to the appointment for troubleshooting purposes, you will just go here, click on your yellow appointment box, and then click the Start or Join Online Consultation button. This will bring you to our whiteboard where you can share your screen or paste your writing into it. Be sure to hit Allow on the permissions of mic and camera use. This will allow you to see your consultant in this corner and chat with them verbally or by using this chat box down here. For a written feedback appointment, on the appointment screen, be sure to click the Schedule Written Feedback Online Consultation. It is very important that you fill out all the appointment form thoroughly, as this appointment type requires no meeting. The consultant will go off this form for clarification. You can add multiple comments in this box at the bottom of the form. Also be sure to attach all required documents such as the rubric, prompt, guidelines, and the draft you want comments provided on. This will help guide the consultant to understanding your assignment requirements. You will get an email confirmation sent from our automated system once your appointment is confirmed. Be sure to check your junk folder in case it goes there. Our policy does allow a 15-minute grace period if you are running late, but your account will be automatically deactivated if you have 3 no-show appointments. If you ever run into any issues when creating an appointment, please do not hesitate to reach out to the CWE. Our phone number is 706-737-1402, and our email is cwe@augusta.edu. We look forward to working with you.